Hello Todd, this is Aaron from Boss Motors. I'm making this video especially for you. This is the 2009 Lexus RX350. Black on the outside, black on the inside. It currently has 106,000 miles on it. The asking price is $11,888 plus HSC licensing. The brakes have just been replaced and it comes with all new tires, as you can see. It comes very clean and fully certified. Four-wheel drive, black leather interior, navigation, air conditioning, heating. It's known for its spacious interior and the ease at which it drives. It's in very good condition, as you can see. If you'd like to come into Boss Motors to take a test drive or take a closer look at the vehicle, you are more than welcome to. If you have any further questions, you can contact me at 905-660-2901. My extension is 213. I hope you have a great day, and I'd like to thank you for your time.